seen my other makeup videos, I have been searching and searching for foundation that matches because my chest is kind of a butterscotch. Anything that has not been hit by the sun is butterscotch. Everything that's been hit by the sun is like chocolate. So I typically will not wear full face makeup because I have found it really hard to kind of blend the tones. And a friend of mine said I was ombre, dark at the top, it just got lighter as you got down, which is pretty much true. In any event, but I have to tell you, I found some foundation. I'm so excited about that. So I'm going to show you the foundation that I have picked up from my drugstore haul, and also picked up a contour palette, some eyeshadows, and then my Avon has arrived and I have not gone through it, so I'm really excited to show you the Avon products that I have picked up as well. But this guys, this is my medium deep concealer, and I have to tell you, I've had to get a concealer because the two concealers that I own, oh, you gotta be kidding me. No, Lord help me. This cannot be deep. Avon, this cannot be medium deep. There's no way. There is no way in the history of SmackDown that this is medium deep. Avon. This is medium. What in the world? What in the world? I'm trying to get away from this shade. Oh my gosh. Let's start with the Avon True Color. Now this is in Coral Crush. This is a lip balm. And I'm going to swatch these on my hand. I'm going to swatch these on my hand and then decide what color. So that is Coral Crush. See, I'll put it on my lips. So this is a lip balm with a little tint of color. Cute. Add that to the collection. All right, next one is True Color. And this is Bitten. Bitten. Look at that, guys. Holy moly. I sure enough would bite somebody with this lipstick. My husband better watch out. Oh, how I like this one. And this is Mad for Mauve. Mad for Mauve. Pretty light. Ooh. Oh, I like that. This would be good if you're looking for a neutral that has some pink undertones. So this is, now the next three are from the lips that are discontinued, but I still want to show you the colors. Marvelous Mocha. Oh, yeah. So there we go. Marvelous Mocha. I like that. So if you're looking for something with a like a brick ready brown type base, I think this would be a great nude for that. Oh, I did not swatch it. So let's swatch Marvelous Mocha. Marvelous Mocha. Love that. This one go with my hair, y'all. Ow! I need eyeglasses. Hot plum. Oh, hot plum. Oh. Hot plum. Hot plum. Similar to this, but almost, but lighter. Similar base. Similar base. So this is hot plum. Red Supreme. Ooh. Oh, mama. Oh, I'm gonna hurt somebody with this. Oh, this is like a Vixen red. Whew. Lord. Y'all gonna have to dip me twice. Oh my goodness. What is this one? Red Supreme. Red Supreme. Red Supreme. Alright guys, we did it. How did it turn out? More color than what I am used to wearing, that is for sure, but I just wanted to demo all the products that I've picked up. So we started with our new foundation, which was by Avon, and it's somewhere in my pile of madness. The Avon Magic, and this is the Face Perfector with SPF 20 sunscreen. So we started with this as our base, and then we moved on to the new foundation that I'm absolutely loving. This foundation, this is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. Now this color is color 334, which is Warm Sun, which really love the blend. Love the blend. Okay. Now with this, I definitely have to have a concealer on. The other foundation that I did pick up that I did not swatch, I guess I can swatch it at least for you, so you can see. Oh, or I could make a mess for you. So totally messed that up. But this is the Milani Color and Perfect foundation and concealer 2-in-1, and that's in the warm tan, which is color number 10. And then we'll just come up the arm with the Maybelline Superstay in color 334, which is Warm Sun. So can you see that? Definitely cooler undertones here with the Milani, and my skin is just warm. I've been beat by the sun because I live in the South, but my skin that don't see the sun is very butterscotchy. Okay, and I just made that a word. So that is the foundation that we're using now. This concealer, Avon concealer. This is supposed to be medium deep. And what's deep about this? Is it philosophical? Because it's surely not deep in terms of color. That's all I'm going to say. this is the concealer that I am wearing, and we're gonna work on that. All right, so my eyebrows are the NYX. Y'all know the NYX until I get some more stuff. And I'm using the NYX and Espresso on my eyebrows. Now my color palette on the eyes, I did use a mix of old and new. So what we have, I have 4 different palettes that I use. We started with the Maybelline, the City Mini palette. Now this is in Blushed Avenue color 510, I believe. Blushed Avenue. So we started this out. I should have had it open for you. But we started with this Dusty Mauve color as our base. Okay, so that's a Maybelline. So this is a new purchase here. And then we went to our brand new Avon palette, which is the 4-in-1 Quad and Emerald Cut. And so we use this on the outer eye, and we use color number 4 on the inner eye. Okay. Now from there, we add a little bit of black, and the black is from my Milani palette. Here, this is the Must Have Eyes. And then we topped it off with Maybelline Teal the Deal. My favorite color. So this is what is on top. Gave it a little blend. Some black eyeliner, which is Avon. My waterproof mascara, which is Avon. You guys have seen those two before. Now on my cheeks, I have a little bit of truffle and a little bit of the contour kit. And then also, we finished off on the lips with Avon Red Supreme. Now I know that's a color that they're phasing out, but if you can get your hand on it, get it. And if you can't get your hand on it, get your hand on something quite similar, because this red will make you slap your mama, do a dance, do whatever, bite somebody. Lord, this red is where it's at. So all that being said, we are done with our face. How do you think it turned out? A whole lot of madness, a whole lot of new stuff. Definitely something different from what you would normally see from me. Let's take a look with my peepers. Peepers. Get in that braid. Get in there. There we go. And the purple hair. Can we get any more color than this? With the purple hair, those are all of our lipsticks that we swatched today. So that's 6 lipsticks, 2 foundations. We had primer, concealer, and a whole bunch of eyeshadow, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. And y'all know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye.